This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SIBO Vol 411. Yesterday's volume of about 40 million contracts was about 10% above recent averages, and a total of 600,000 contracts traded in the VIX, just less than a 3-to-1 call put. Large volume in the April 21 calls yesterday. But this morning, a couple of huge spreads traded. The July 60 calls versus October 47.5 calls traded 60,000 times, and the July 33s versus the October 27s 15,000 times. Huge open interest at the April 19th 21 strike puts. Spot VIX keeps testing the low end of the range since the beginning of the year, which is right around down about 18. Yesterday it got down to 18 and a quarter, almost there again today, while the VIX futures curve continues to be fairly muted. May is about 20, almost 21, increasing up through there through October. Now, I would expect with earnings season right around the corner here that we would start seeing a little bit of a vol uptick across the board. Yesterday, SPY traded almost 9 million contracts, SPX almost 3 million. Tesla was the equity leader with 2.1 million contracts. Interesting comparison to the VIX 9D vol index to the regular VIX for the first quarter of the year. Even though the averages were nearly identical, with the 9-day being 20.9 and the VIX being 20.7, the VIX 9-day had much larger swings both to the upside and the downside, with the high point over 35 being on March 13th at the beginning of the banking crisis. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your SIBO Vol 411.